Hey everyone! Did you know June 27th is Multiculturalism Day? It began in Canada in 2002 when Prime Minister Jean Chrétien made it official to celebrate the amazing mix of cultures that build our communities. Close your eyes. Imagine a world where every flavour, language and tradition mixes together like the coolest smoothie you've ever tasted. That's what multiculturalism is all about. It's not just about food, music or dress. It's about listening to different stories, learning new customs, and feeling connected to people from all over. Let's explore some fun ways to take part. 1. Host a cultural potluck. Invite your friends to bring a dish from their culture. Picture samosas next to sushi, tacos beside tagine. A feast with a story? 2. Dress in traditional attire. Ever tried on a sari, a kimono or a kilt? Wearing clothes from another culture is a colourful way to spark conversation. 3. Learn a phrase in a different language. How cool is it to say hello or thank you in a language you don't speak? Just a few words can show respect and curiosity. 4. Watch an international film. Skip the usual and watch something from another country. It's an easy time travel to another culture without leaving home. So why celebrate? Because multicultural communities are stronger, richer, and more united. When we understand each other, respect follows. It's like building a team where everyone brings their own superpower. And here's a bonus fact. Canada was the first country to adopt multiculturalism as official policy, way back in 1971, and has been leading the way ever since. So this June 27th, grab a taste, a story, or a song from another culture. Let's celebrate together, because every culture makes our world more vibrant.